like prudish and conservative? Can I say bad words? Can I do naughty and provocative things? Okay. Well,
come with me to see Madonna performing live at the 𝙏𝙗𝙧 in London. Hello, 𝙤𝙘𝙧, beautiful people. Welcome back. Welcome to another video. If you are new here, my name is Thenjiwe. And today I am so excited. I am going to see Madonna performing live at the 𝙏𝙗 in London. I got invited by 𝙏𝙗. Thanks to 𝙏𝙗 for this opportunity of a lifetime to go and see someone that has always been my idol from my childhood. We grew up on Madonna. I remember as a teen wearing dresses that we used to call Madonna because we all wanted to look like her, to dress like her. If you grew up in my era, you would know the Madonna dresses. And I'm just so excited. I get to go and see her live. I went with my friend, Annelisa, and she's a musician. So she was really excited when I invited her to come with me. And guys, when I tell you, number one, the 𝙏𝙗 is such a beautiful venue. There's so much you can do. You don't just go there because they have a concert. You can just go there to do so. There's just so much to do there. So it's always buzzing, it's always fun to be there, it's always exciting. And we went to take photos. I like taking photos in this place with the 𝙏𝙗 sign. And we met this lovely lady who was there by herself. We started chatting to her, only to find out that it was her birthday and she was there by herself. And of course we were not going to let her celebrate her birthday by herself. Happy birthday to you. And then we went inside the building. We were welcomed VIP style. We were received at reception in the VIP lounge. Then we went to the Blue Room. Oh, the Blue Room. So exciting. You get to, it's like a pre-show. You listen to the music. There were live musicians singing, dancing. We had our pre-drinks there. And then there's a nice photo booth where you can go and have your photos taken. You get your photos printed and sent to you digitally. So that was exciting. And then we went to our allocated suites where we were going to watch the show from. It was nice to meet other people who were there. There were 24 of us. And it was just so lovely, so exciting. Met some lovely people, made new friends. And then we were waiting for the show. You know, when you like, come in, everybody, please, get your seats. We want the show to start. And eventually the place filled up and the show started. Oh, did I tell you about the food? We were fed good food, a buffet, and also free bar. All night long, free bar. Unlimited. You just have to control yourself. Don't get carried away. And then the concert started. To see how she still moves at 65 really inspired me to keep fit. Because I'm like, I want to be like that. Not at 65. I want to be that fit next week. I don't even want to wait for 65. I want to be that fit next week. And Gail was even talking to us like we are her besties, telling us,
true. However, I got sick of being broke and hungry and homeless and scared and lonely and all of those things.
Yeah.
So I decided to be a musician. Learned how to play guitar, taught myself how to write songs, and I continue to be broke and hungry and homeless and scared and lonely. However, it got me here. So I am very grateful for those early days of struggle. And you know what? I'm still struggling. It's funny how life never changes in some aspects. Don't ever push yourself in a bubble where you cannot remember the struggle.
Absolutely.
Stay close to the people. Stay close to your past. Stay close to your true self, always. Now, enough of that sentimental hogwash. I'm going to tell you something. When I put my Rickenbacker on, and I got up on that stage, I sang this song I'm going to do next.
You have to go when she has a show near you. Do not miss out. Oh, but the show was the best. And then when her daughter came and gave a performance, yeah, it was one of those shows. It doesn't matter how much I try to explain it. You have to experience it yourself to understand what it was like. Even when it finished, everyone was like, why did she sing for 12 minutes? Meanwhile, she had been on stage for 3 hours. But because it was just that exciting and that much, it was that much fun, and she was so good. You didn't even see the time passing. Yeah, so that is my story of going to watch Madonna live at the O2 in London. And thank you so much to O2 Priority. Please do check them out, and you will not be disappointed with all the benefits you get from being with O2. And thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and leave me a comment. Do you like Madonna? What's your favorite song? What's your favorite moment of Madonna? What do you like most about her? And have you ever been to see her live? Would you go to see her live if she came to a place near you? And I love you. Bye.